Hey everyone, welcome back to Touch Trove, your daily hub for the biggest, boldest, and most mind-blowing stories in tech. Today, we're diving into something straight out of the future, because Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 8, launching in 2026, might just redefine what a smartphone can be. That's right, Samsung's not just making another foldable. They're creating a whole new category of smart devices that could change how we work, play, and create forever. So buckle up because we're unpacking everything. The design leaks, display upgrades, performance leaps, AI integration, camera evolution, and the massive price and release news every Galaxy fan's been waiting for. Let's jump right in. Release date and overview. According to industry insiders and Korean supply chain reports, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is set to debut at Samsung's July 2026 Unpacked event, just like the Fold 7 in July 2025. But this time, Samsung's keeping things tighter than ever. No prototypes have leaked publicly, no renders from the usual tipsters, which usually means something big is happening behind the scenes. Multiple reports claim Samsung's engineers are working on a complete internal overhaul, focusing on refined materials, longer battery life, and powerful on-device AI that goes far beyond anything we've seen before. Instead of reinventing the design, Samsung's perfecting it. A sleeker hinge, smarter display, cleaner fold, and a brand new set of productivity tricks powered by One UI 9 and Android 16. In other words, it might look familiar, but it's going to feel like a whole new experience. Price and deals. Now let's talk money, because that's always where things get interesting. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to stay around $119.99 in the US. That's premium pricing. Yes, but Samsung knows its Fold series targets power users, business professionals, and tech enthusiasts who want cutting-edge innovation. However, you might not actually pay that much. Major US carriers like Verizon and AT&T are rumored to offer up to $1,000 trade-in credits on launch week, while T-Mobile could bring aggressive upgrade deals under its Go 5G Next plan. Samsung's own website will also push pre-order bonuses, storage upgrades, and exclusive accessories. So if you plan smart, you could get this futuristic device at half price. Design and build quality. Here's where Samsung is really flexing its engineering muscle. Early prototype info points to a lighter, thinner, and far more durable Fold 8, potentially weighing around 215 grams, making it one of the lightest large foldables ever built. The company might move away from titanium and embrace carbon fiber reinforced polymer, CFRP, a next-gen material that's stronger, lighter, and easier to mass produce. Folded, it's expected to measure around 8.9 meter, and unfolded, a stunning 4.2 millimeter thin slab of pure futuristic design. The Armor Flex Hinge 2.0 will bring better dust resistance, less visible crease lines, and smoother folding mechanics. Basically, it'll feel more like a premium tablet-laptop hybrid that just happens to fold into your pocket. Display upgrades. Samsung's displays are always legendary, but this time, they're taking things to the next level. The main display will reportedly be an 8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with 2600 nits peak brightness and 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, perfect for HDR content and multitasking. The outer display will use Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2, improving scratch resistance without adding weight. The crease, the eternal foldable pain point, might finally be barely visible. Samsung's testing a micro-layered polymer screen that makes the fold almost disappear when viewed head-on. Add in vision booster, anti-glare coating, and improved color accuracy, and you've got one of the most immersive mobile screens in history, performance and hardware. Under the hood, the Fold 8 is expected to be a beast. It's rumored to launch with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, the first 3nm Plus chip optimized for AI-powered performance. Expect up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options up to 1 TB. No microSD slot, as usual. Samsung's also including a vapor cooling system to handle thermal load and keep sustained performance rock solid, especially for gaming, editing, or multitasking across the massive inner display. Powering it all will be a $5,000 mAh battery, a major bump from the Fold 7, with improved standby efficiency and smarter background management thanks to AI-driven power optimization. Charging remains at 25W wired and 15W wireless, which isn't revolutionary, Mon, but Samsung prioritizes battery health and safety over raw speed. Camera system, now. Cameras, because Samsung's not backing down in that department either. The Fold 8 is expected to feature a 200MP ISO-cell HP5 main sensor, an upgraded version of the one used in the S25 Ultra. That means sharper details, cleaner low-light photos, and AI-assisted HDR fusion for natural color reproduction. It'll also pack a 12MP ultra-wide and a 10MP 3x telephoto, plus dual selfie setups, one under display and one on the outer. Panel.ai tools will elevate the entire camera experience. Photo Assist for framing and Composition Portrait Studio for cinematic effects, Generative Edit for magic, eraser-style editing auto-framing during flex mode video calls. Basically, this isn't just a phone, it's a mobile studio for creators. Software and AI integration. This is where Samsung's stepping into Apple and Google territory. Running on One UI 9, based on Android 16, the Fold 8 will bring AI deeply integrated across the entire experience. Imagine your phone learning your habits. It suggests split-screen layouts based on your tasks. It predicts which app you'll open next. It adjusts performance dynamically to extend battery life. Flex mode will now support AI-enhanced productivity, letting you edit videos on one half while previewing the final output on the other. And Samsung's partnership with Google Gemini Live will allow real-time translation, transcription, and even co-editing across languages. This is Samsung's boldest step yet toward creating a self-adaptive smart device. Not just a phone that follows commands, but one that thinks ahead. Battery and endurance. Thanks to the combination of the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chip, adaptive power management, and AI-driven background optimization, the Fold 8 might finally break the all-day barrier for foldables. Early battery testing suggests up to 9 hours of screen-on time, even under heavy workloads. And yes, Samsung's continuing its eco-friendly initiative by supporting USB-C power delivery PPS chargers, ensuring full compatibility with Anker, Belkin, and Baseus accessories. Should you wait for it? So, should you wait for the Galaxy Z Fold 8? If you're all about innovation, multitasking, and owning the bleeding edge of smartphone technology, absolutely. Yes, it's lighter, faster, more durable, smarter, and filled with future-ready AI. But if you already own the Fold 7 or S25 Ultra, the upgrade might not feel essential unless Samsung nails its rumored AI-powered multitasking features and battery efficiency. Still, the Fold 8 looks like the foldable that could finally convince even traditional phone users to make the switch. So, what do you think, and is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 finally the foldable we've been waiting for? Or will Samsung take things even further with the Fold 9? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Samsung's 2026 lineup, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you don't miss more leaks, comparisons, and exclusive tech insights right here on Trove. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll catch you in the next one.